Most people get this wrong when they first download Ibotta. They sign up, buy something, and then wonder why they didn't get any cashback. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking the app works automatically. Here's the truth no one tells you. Ibotta is easy to use, but there are a few important steps you must follow before you shop. Miss one step and you could miss out on cashback. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Ibotta for the first time in 2026, step by step, so you can start earning cashback on your everyday purchases. Let's get started. The first step is downloading the Ibotta app and creating your account. Once you're signed in, take a few minutes to explore the dashboard. You'll see cashback offers from grocery stores, retailers, and online shops. Now here's where it gets interesting. Before you buy anything, you need to add offers to your account. This is one of the most important parts of the process. Think of it like clipping digital coupons. If you don't activate the offer before shopping, you may not qualify for the cashback. For example, let's say Alex plans to buy cereal, milk, and snacks. He opens Ibotta, searches for those products, and adds the available offers to his account. This takes less than a minute, but can save him money on purchases he was already planning to make. But here's the problem. Many first-time users skip this step because they assume the app tracks everything automatically. In most cases, it doesn't. Always check and activate offers before shopping. Next, go shopping either in-store or online through participating retailers. After completing your purchase, you'll need to verify it. Depending on the retailer, this may happen automatically through a linked account, or you may need to upload a receipt. This is where most people fail. When uploading receipts, make sure the entire receipt is visible and readable. Blurry photos or missing information can delay cashback processing. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to maximize your earnings. Once your purchase is verified, cashback is added to your account balance. Over time, these rewards accumulate and can be redeemed according to the options available within the app. The easiest way to earn more is to make Ibotta part of your regular shopping routine. Before every grocery trip, spend a minute checking available offers. John does this every week and consistently saves money without changing what he normally buys. One important thing to remember is that cashback offers change regularly. New deals are added, while others expire. Checking the app frequently helps you avoid missing opportunities. So let's quickly recap. Create your account, activate offers before shopping, make your purchase, verify it correctly, and collect your cashback. That's the complete process for using Ibotta for the first time in 2026. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-saving app tutorials, and leave a comment below with your first Ibotta cashback experience.